So just real quick, I want to talk about the stabilizers that I'm running on my Pro Comp this year. These are Bee Stinger Premier Plus bars. I'm running a little shorter front bar than I have in the past on some other bows. I think the geometry of this bow just really wants a shorter front bar. I've got about 4.5 ounces on the front with the dampener out front. I don't have it on a 7-degree down angle mount. That's one thing I'd actually like to try, but for right now I've got it on a straight mount. On the back I've got a 15-inch Premier Plus bar with about 11 ounces. Overall it's a pretty light setup, but I wanted to keep my mass weight down just a little bit for shooting all the up and downhill. When I roll back to indoor, I'll probably go ahead and beef the weight up just a little bit on this because I don't have to hold it up in the air like I do through my shot cycle on an uphill shot. You know, Bee Stinger still makes the best bars on the market, incredibly stiff, very lightweight, small diameter so you're not fighting the wind, and just a great product.